This is Alex with J-Tech. Today I'm going to be explaining the fundamentals of stick welding. So, stick welding, also known as SMAW, which is shielded metal arc welding, is, but for the purpose of this video, from this point on, it'll be stick welding. Alright, so we're going to run through your safety first. You're going to need a hood, like this. This is an auto darkening hood. You can use just a normal hood. It doesn't have to be auto darkening, but auto darkening is better for when you're trying to see where you need to put your weld at. And you can run it. The auto darkening has, like this one, it has where you can select your lens. I usually run mine at 9, but I'm blind, so it makes it easier for me to see. The darker you go, the more it's going to protect your eyes. You're going to need a good set of thick gloves, just like these. Doesn't have to be Lincoln, it can be whatever brand you want. I just picked those up at Home Depot, 10 bucks. This is your chipping hammer. You're going to need one of those, and then you're also going to need a brush to brush off the slag, because if you don't, this is to chip the slag off of your welds, and then you're going to use the brush to clean it all off so you don't get slag inclusions in your welds, which can compromise the integrity of your weld. Alright, so next, this is your stinger or electrode holder. As I just dropped the electrode, this is what is left of an electrode. Right there, if you look, it'll focus. That is a 6013 rod. The first two numbers are your tensile strength. Your third number is the position, 1 being all positions, and 3 is the flux composition. And the flux is actually this white stuff on the outside right here, and then on the inside is your actual filler metal right there. So what the flux does is it creates shielding gas around your weld to protect it from outside contaminants from getting into your weld to make your weld pure. So you got that. And then now we're going to go over to the machine. Alright, so your machine, your setup, running a 1/4 inch. It is, right now it's going to be set on electrode negative, and you can swap them. If you go in here, pull the cover off, you can swap them around. On this certain machine, for 1/4 inch, what I like to travel at is 120 to 135, depending on weather, like the temperature outside and the temperature of the metal. So with stick, you can ground just to your table, and stick you can weld anywhere. They do it underwater, you could do it in the mud, you can do it in the dirt, you can do it inside, you can do it outside. It doesn't matter. As long as you have a good ground, your metal's clean, then you can strike an arc. So what you would do to strike an arc is you would place your electrode in your stinger like that, and you're going to grab your stinger with 2 hands, obviously, but I can't grab it with 2 hands right now. But you want to get it about a 45-degree angle to your weld piece, and so there's straight up and down. You want to go about 45 for a T-plate, and then you want to go about 45 over, and then you just want to do a nice slow drag. Once you find, again, it's just like with MIG, it's going to be the sound of frying bacon is what you're looking for when you're welding. And that is that is the fundamentals of stick welding. Thank you.